Hello everyone, this is Salar and you are watching tutorials on JavaScript. This is our tutorial number 13 and we are learning data types in JavaScript. In the previous tutorial, you learned number data type and this tutorial is continuation of our last tutorial. We are actually trying to learn number data type in every aspect. So what you're going to learn in this tutorial, you will learn a function, a very useful function in JavaScript which is called IsNaN. NaN is an acronym for not a number. In JavaScript, this function is used to determine whether a value is number or not. So this method returns true if the argument or the value is not a number. Otherwise, it returns false, right? So how does it work and how do we code it can easily be understood with the help of an example. So let's write some code. I will create an integer and a string variable. Now we can pass both the variables one by one as argument to IsNaN function, and the function will find out if arguments containing valid numbers or not. Right, so like I said, IsNaN is a function, and a function always has a pair of parentheses. And inside the parentheses, we pass arguments to the function. And here we are passing our variables as argument to the function. Now in the console, you will actually see the result. So isNaN will check if argument is not a number. And our second variable in the code is a string, which is not a number. And that's why you see function returns a true value. And the other variable is a number. That's why function returns a false value. As you see, isNaN function returns boolean values. That means you can use isNaN inside if statement to let your program decide whether to process data or not. Let me show you the example. But again, you don't need to worry about if statement. We will learn if statements in the future, right? And there you see the result, right? So you can easily find out if the input is a number or not. So this is how you can code isNaN with if statements. So the first statement is straightforward. The function will return true here, and that's why you see this message in the output. But this statement might confuse you. So what's happening here is that height is a number, so that's why isNaN gonna return a false value. And then I use logical not here to turn false into true, right? So it is just an example, and if it seems confusing to you, you can forget it. Now, one last thing that I want to show you here is that isNaN makes an attempt to convert not a number into a number. For example, here, isNaN made an attempt and tried to convert this value into a number, but this string value can't be converted into a number. But what about this one? So we have string value, but this value can easily be converted into number. So here isNaN will succeed in converting value from not a number to a number. And that's why the result of this statement would be false, right? So now we have discussed isNaN function in detail and we will use it in our future tutorials. I will see you in the next part and thanks for watching.